In this line, we're simply logging a message, before error. This lets us know that the code has reached this point without any issues. Now, we intentionally throw an error to simulate a problem in the code. In a real-world scenario, this could be a mistake or an unexpected issue. The comment above it indicates that we're using this error to demonstrate the use of source maps. This line is meant to log after error. However, this will not execute because the error thrown above will interrupt the flow of execution, demonstrating how errors can impact your application's runtime. Now let's talk about source maps. When JavaScript is minified, it becomes hard to read and debug. Source maps are files that provide a way of mapping code within a compressed file back to its original position in a source file. This helps you debug the original code before it was minified or compiled. This line at the bottom of a minified JavaScript file is a comment that points to the source map. It tells the browser's developer tools where to find the source map, which is crucial for debugging. The source map itself is not used by browsers at runtime. It is only used when the developer tools are open. When you encounter an error in your JavaScript code, the browser's DevTools will show you the minified code by default. However, if you have a source map, the DevTools can display the original source code instead. This makes it much easier to pinpoint the exact location of the error and understand what's happening. When the error we threw earlier appears in the DevTools, it might initially show the location in the minified code. But thanks to the source map, you can view the error in the context of the original code. Simply ensure that source maps are enabled in your DevTools settings. To sum it up, source maps serve as a bridge between the human-readable source code and the machine-optimized production code, providing a powerful tool for developers to maintain code clarity and ease the debugging process.